Now we want to talk about the second to last angle, which is the attribute angle. The attribute angle is all about when you want to promote a product, you could pick one of the unique features of the product. Basically, in marketing, here is what most people do. When they try to sell something, they talk about all of the features of the product at the same time, but it might end up confusing your prospects or audience, and they may not be able to figure out the unique selling proposition, USP, why this particular product is different or more important than the other. More so in the product launch industry, where a lot of products being launched are similar. So in the attribute angle, all you need to do is to pick one spectacular feature of the product you want to promote, then build your email content around it. Let me show you some email examples where the attribute angle was used. So the title of this email is Best One-Time Deal Ever. Send free unlimited emails, get unlimited list, plus 53 bonus apps. Let's get to the body of this email so you can see where I rightly positioned the attributes in this email. I said, "Hey friend, this is the most open and selfless I can be. So I advise you don't go through this email as one of those newsletters you just read casually and move on. I have brought a perfect win-win offer that will make most of you money in the next 24 hours. No doubt. Let's get straight to it. At 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time today, a new software called Xmails for email marketing that doesn't require you to pay." At this point, you can see that I've talked about the unique attributes of the Xmail software. There are several autoresponders in the marketplace. They have launched MailerLite, they have launched Maillit, but all of this software requires you to put in your own SMTP, which requires you to spend extra money to do that on a monthly basis. But Xmails was created with the sole aim of saving you 100% of any further expenses. With the tool, you don't need SMTP. You don't need any autoresponder to do your email marketing promotion. This is why I started my introduction by saying, a new software called Xmails for email marketing that doesn't require you to pay monthly, like Auber, GetResponse, etc., was launched into the marketplace. I said, right now the entire IM industry is getting a lot of buzz about Xmail, and it's for a good reason. Very quickly, after personally testing, you can see I also used a different angle here, which is known as the proven and tested angle. After testing out the tool in the last few hours, here are the top 2 benefits why I finally considered Xmails a must-have for you. Right, again, I'm talking about the most important attribute. You can see it's the first on the list. No SMTP needed, nothing to install, one-time and high inboxing. Instantly create beautiful emails using proven and high-converting template. Under the attribute angle, what you need to do is to try to understand the product, then build your promotion around the most spectacular or one of the incredible features the product has got to offer. I hope it's very clear. Let's see another example. Okay, this is a product called Video Sting. You would agree with me if you've been around the product launch space for some time, or if you have been in internet marketing for some time, you would agree that one of the most popular products out there are videos. There are a lot of video products on the marketplace, so the attribute angle becomes very, very important. You need to tell subscribers why they need to get this product. In addition to getting it from your link, you need to give them that specific difference. You need to pinpoint the exact feature, the exact benefit why they need to get this product you are recommending to them. So let's go through the subject of the email. New way to profit with video in 2019, plus done for you. You can see I also use the done for you angle, so that goes too. You can actually combine several of these angles together for a particular promotion, provided it's done strategically to ensure it makes sense to your subscribers. And I will advise you need to rotate these angles one after the other in your different promotions. So let's check the body of this email. I said, "Finally, here comes an innovative and exciting new technology, plus a unique bonus pack of done-for-you 3D animated video marketing agency website and 41 new custom bonus apps. The revolution begins today, the day where you will truly take advantage of the #1 internet sales weapon that communicate, engage, and convert your prospects to happy customers through a deep emotional connection." This email is about 3D animated video sting. Now, this is an example of the attribute angle again. Video sting is like every other marketing tool out there, but the unique thing about VidSting is that it integrates Sting into the video creation process. So you can see here, I said this email is about 3D animated video stings. So that's the attribute feature, the spectacular part of this product I was promoting. The best tool of trade, VidSting, and the most profitable bonus out there. I said, fact. Instantly capturing a visitor's attention is a key factor to get traffic to your site, get leads, and make sales. And that's why you have probably seen a new wave of these eye-catching video animations more and more recently. And there's a good reason for that. They stop you in your tracks and almost force you to pay attention. They are called video stings, and they are the newest and hottest craze in the marketing world. So you can see how I carefully illustrate the spectacular attributes of VidStings. In my email, I did the best I can to introduce the attribute on its own. Then I talked about the product being the best solution to go down and utilize that attribute. Fortunately, this is the exact kind of sales-driven video VidStings help you to achieve in minutes on complete automation. So the attribute angle, once again, is all about you taking the most spectacular aspect of the product, then you build your promotion around it. Oftentimes, it also allows you to eliminate some things as much as you can. Instead of talking about so many things at the same time, you focus on just one feature and hype it up as much as possible. Let's see another example of this angle. The subject reads, "Secret software builds your mailing list, adds 300 leads for free." This is the subject of the email. I already told you about the attributes. What's the attribute of this software I'm promoting? It helps you to add subscriber leads per day. I didn't make it clear how to deploy the software for any affiliate marketing promotion. Okay, let's see the body of this email. I said, "How would you like to grow your mailing list daily for free and on complete autopilot?" You set it up once and it takes off from there. Here's the secret software that adds 200 to 500 subscribers to our email list daily for free. Click this link. A lot of guys are going to click through because when it comes to the online marketing world, everybody knows it that money is in the list. So there are a lot of other features, but I ensured my promotion was centered on this free list building attribute, which I considered to have the most mass appeal. The vendor of this product may not have focused on this feature on his sales presentation, but from my understanding, I try to use my understanding of the marketplace to deduce one of the best attributes and build my email marketing around that. You can see once again I applied that here. I told my subscribers they can get 200 to 500 leads daily using flow leads. I believe at this point you now understand how the attribute angle works. I'll go back to the slide so we can discuss the next angle, which is the bonus angle.